join us here. Again, it's quite a mountainous setting in southern Lodi, and alhamdulillah, we're here for a school opening. Project, when it was brought to us, the state of the school was very, very serious. It was in absolutely dire condition. You could, just from the outside of the pictures, you could see straight through the school, and it was a hazard waiting to happen. It was a disaster waiting to happen. Alhamdulillah, it was brought to us through your kind donations. We were able to rectify the problem.
वो गांव का स्कूल था। इस स्कूल ये बिल्डिंग जो है हमारी तो बिल्कुल टूटी फूटी थी। इस इमारत की वजह से लोग बच्चों को हमारे पास ही छोड़ते थे। ये जो MEST वाले, जिग्सा वाले, इन्होंने हमारे लिए इतनी खूबसूरत इमारत तैयार की है, जिसकी वजह से हमारे ये इतना खूबसूरत माहौल क्रिएट कर लिया है।
It's gone from 10 classes, 10 groups of children studying in 2 classrooms to now 5 usable rooms. So it's amazing. These are the sort of projects that we love. These are the ones that have the biggest impacts as well. Inshallah, this will help mold generation after generation. Join us. We'll carry on playing with the kids and having a good time.
A better world, piece by piece.
Jigsaw!